Welcome back once again. This is me Anwar and this is my new Microsoft Word tutorial for you all. In this tutorial we will talk about table. How to create a table and how to handle it. We will discuss a lot of properties of the table. So let's start. But before starting the lecture, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So first of all, open your Microsoft document. Okay, then go to insert menu and then click in table and then create a table. After creating a table, you can see two menus are open for the table. One is design and another one is layout. So these are the menu for the table. Okay, so the first one is design of the table. So you can see there are a lot of style of the table. You can select one by one. The first one is like a header row. You can see it's a different. The first row is different because it's a header row. So it's tick more here. If you click this one, so it will goes to a normal row. Okay, so that's why header row and total row. Okay, this is also selected because total lines are here. Okay, then first column. Okay, first column is also this one is the first column. You see this one the difference. First column, okay, it's removed. First column, okay, then last column will create here. You see, so in banded column is also like first one is different one, second is different, third is different, fourth like this. Okay, you can see the difference, and this is a lot of styles for the table. You can click one by one. Here are more, a lot of. You can choose for your desired table. Okay, and after that, shading of the table, in select table, and then this is the shading of the table. You can see it. Now another one is border style. So you can take any of border style from here. Here is different kind of border styles. Select this one. Okay, then if now you can come here, another one is border. There are also a lot of different styles, and this one is the border width, how much width of the border you want, and this one is the border color, pen color, actually the border color, which one you want to apply, this one. Okay, and then come to border. You see bottom border, then top border and left border, right border, no border, all borders, outside border, inside, horizontal line, diagonal. So it's a lot of. So actually top, bottom and top. Okay, this one and this one, you can see this is border, and this one is like border painter. It will come like a pen. You can see you want one by one, then you can use this one. Now I will remove all these changes. Okay, and then I will come to the layout menu of the table. The first one is select a cell, it will select. Then select a column, the column will select, and select a row will select. Select a table, the whole table will select. You can also use the left key of the keypad and drag your mouse, so it will select how much you want, it will select. Okay, and you can also do like that, press the shift key and use arrow keys, then it will select arrow keys. Okay, now another one is view gradient. So if your table is like a style table, this one, and you want to see the gradient of the table, then you can view gradient, then you can see all the gradient of the table. Okay, And another one is properties. It will work with text. How it will work? Like lorem, you have some text and you want to adjust your table with text. How you can do it? If your like the table weight, I will decrease the table weight. Okay, this is the actual table, and you want properties. Come here, this is none. Okay, the text will start from the bottom. Okay, and if you want to center your table, then it will center, but your text will start from the bottom. But if you want your text style from around or something like this, then you can see your text will start from the right side, and you want your text start from the around, then you can see it will start from here and here as well, from left and right. And then if you want your text start from here, from the left side, then you can see. So you can adjust your table with text. Now another one is draw table. You can draw a table by yourself. Click here and then you can draw a table, and then you can use arrow, lines, row and columns and columns. This is the actual the pen color we selected from here. Okay, this is actually, now if we draw it, the pen color is now black one. Okay, so you can draw. Okay, draw a table, then erase. You want to erase this line, then you can create erase. Okay, so you can use like this. And another one is delete. You want to delete a cell, this cell, because we are in this cell will delete. Then from left, from off, entire row and entire column, which one you want to delete? Shift. Okay, this one, this column you want to delete cell of, delete entire row, the whole row will delete. So you can delete from here anything you want. This one is insert above. It's actually a row will insert above. Okay, this row is inserted. Now you can here and you can click this one, insert below. So row will insert below. And another one is for column. You can see this one, click here and you want to insert left, so a column for left, from left will insert it, and insert from right, so column from the right will insert it. Okay, then okay, let's delete this one, delete table. Okay, let's come here, and another one is merge cell. You want to merge 2 or 3 cells, then you will select the cells and then click merge cells. Similarly with columns, you can select columns and then merge, so it will merge. You can do like that. Okay, and you want to split this cell with multiple, then you can click, it's 2. You want to more, then you can increase and then click, so it's split by 2 cells. Okay, so it's split cells. And split table, if you have a table like this, you want to split your table from here, then you can click here and then click and split table, so your table will split. Okay, and another one is auto pet window. It's the actual window side with contents. So now you can start contents, it will adjust with contents. Okay, so this one is auto pet with contents with fixed columns, so everyone will be fixed, the column size will be fixed, but you can see window, you can accordingly use accordingly. Another one is wet. You can select this table and you can, it will all apply in all cells and columns. Okay, similarly with wet. Okay, and if you want to increase a size of one cell or one column, then you can click there and you can see a row, it will increase. Okay, only the one. So and another one is distributed rows. Distributed row, for example, your this row width is height like this, you want to distribute this height with this row, then you can select multi row and then distribute row. The height of two cells will distribute it equally. Okay, similarly with columns, if this column width is lot, then you can select two columns, okay, and then distribute columns, the width will distribute it equally. Okay, so another one is, this one is for the text. Okay, like this one we have another table. Okay, so I already made it. So you want, this is actually a text in this table, and you want from the right side, the text stored in the right side will appear in right side or left side or in the middle. So you can use this one. You can select the whole text and you can do it accordingly. Okay, and another one is text direction. If this one, like I will merge, okay, and I will this one, only this one, and Ahmed, I want to change the direction of this one, so you can see and you can know. So you saw, so you can use like that. And another one is cell merge, cell margins. So you can select these cells, you can come to margins and you can create some margins, then you will see the difference. It's like a blank space and around the cells. So it's created some blank spaces around here. And another one is repeat header row. Actually the first one is a header row, you want to repeat it, then you can click this one. So two rows, first two rows will repeat and it will consider a header rows. And convert to text, you can select the table and come to convert to text, and it will like tabs, paragraphs, commas, some things. So it will come to a tab, sample text. Okay, and another one is formula. You want to insert a formula somewhere in the table, then you can click there where you want to insert a formula, then you can click in formula and then you can write a whole formula and then it will come there, it will show there with some different style. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed a lot. In our next video I will talk how to create a professional table. Our next video we will use these properties and we will create a professional table, such kind of tables like this table, like this one, like this one. So we will create this kind of table in our next video. Thank you so much.